Good morning. Today is news 7th July 2020. You are listening to Khyati Anand, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updates from around the world. With 4 consecutive days of record highs in the new cases of the coronavirus disease, India on Sunday went past Russia in total infections to become the third biggest hotspot of the virus, ranking only behind US and Brazil. Nearly 1 lakh people in Delhi have been diagnosed with the coronavirus disease, with the national capital set to become only the third state in country after Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu to cross the threshold. India could be taking a relook at the use of anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine for treatment of COVID-19 after the World Health Organization on Saturday announced the discontinuation of HCQ clinical trials as it did not reduce mortality rates in hospitalized patients. Warning issued by a hospital after admission of a suspected case of bubonic plague in inner regions of Mongolia in China. US President Donald Trump on Saturday claimed without evidence that 99% of the COVID cases were totally harmless. US rapper Kanye West announced on Saturday that he would run for president in 2020 in an apparent challenge to Donald Trump. India and Afghanistan on Sunday signed 5 agreements for developing educational infrastructure in 4 Afghan provinces, with the move seen as New Delhi's support to Kabul at a time when the war-torn country's peace process is confronting challenges. 5 startups have been shortlisted for Make in India video app, said the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Indian Railways is in talks with states to get back labourers for construction work on its biggest infrastructure project, the dedicated freight corridors. Differences may emerge over the centre's obligation to make up for states' GST losses over the past 2 months. Thank you. I, Khyati Anand, will come tomorrow with latest updates. Stay tuned. Have a great day.